Hi there, it's Tally from Bravo, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of performing a buy, consign, or trade firearm transaction in Bravo. We're going to start by entering the manufacturer model into Smart Search found here on the Bravo dashboard. For this example, we are going to use a Glock 19 Gen 4. Based on our unique buy, consignment, and trade multipliers, the estimated amounts appear here. Next, we're going to answer the quality assessment questions. Remember that these answers help Bravo in calculating the recommended amounts based on the item's condition and included accessories. Our final estimate is here. But wait, our customer needs more money. Now is a great time to check out the price guide summary and/or the price guide report and qualify your customer. Let's fill in the details and wrap up this transaction. Record the serial number here. Now for the gun book. Bravo has auto-completed most of the data found here under Edit ATF Record with the information provided from the estimator. We just need to add the importer to properly complete the A&D book. Additional item details can be added here, and you can always add images by right-clicking on your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. Now select Next. If you need to add another item to the same ticket, just select Add Merch here, or you can keep this firearm on its own ticket and add items to another ticket by selecting General Merchandise from the right of the screen here. Select Next to wrap up this transaction. Select Pay Customer by Cash, confirm the amount by selecting OK. Then finish the transaction by selecting Save. In this case, the buy ticket, item tag, and any supporting documents will print. That's it. For additional information, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.